All right, this is going over section 2.2, question number 9, and this is about function notation. I think the math here isn't too bad. It's just understanding what is this even asking us. Okay, so what this is saying is we have a function named f, takes an input of x, and then here's what it does. Right, so oftentimes it's written this way where you have the y and x variables, and all that's different here is now your variables are actually x and f of x. That's your input and output variables. So this one is asking if, like right over here it says, if the input for x is 1, what is the output for f of x? So we can go over here and say, okay, let's make x 1. So we're going to do the f function for 1 when x is 1. Right, and so that's going to be 7 minus 3 times 1. So if we do the 3 times 1 first, that's 3. 7 minus 3 would be 4. So basically, f of 1 is equivalent or equal to 4. When we did the f function of 1, we got 4. Okay, and then we just have to add to that the g function of 1. So for g, if we do g function and input 1 for x, we'll get 3 times 1 minus 7. So g of 1 is equal to 3 minus 7, which is negative 4. All right, and so a lot of times students think this is like g times 1 or something like that, but it's just saying the g function, when you input a 1 for x, you get an output of negative 4. So we can say that g1 is equal to negative 4. Right, now that we found f1 and g1, just add them together and we get 0. So our overall result to this answer is 0. All right, and that's just kind of function notation, which they assume you know from Algebra 1. I'll mix in some more examples and try and give clarification as needed. Please keep asking questions. Thanks for watching.